Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you guys super easy nails. So you can get these for $7.95 at your local Target or Walmart. These are the Kiss Gel Fantasy Nails. I got these ones because they're full appropriate. So these will last you up to a week if you do it the way I'm showing you in this tutorial. Now, you can wash dishes, you can clean, you can do everything with these. The shorter they are, the longer they will last though. I have found out the hard way. I got some very long ones and they'll just pop right off when you're doing something. Now when one does pop off, you can just glue it back on. It's so easy. Just file the bottom of the nail, file your nail again, you're good to go. Put some glue on, put it back on. So yeah, if you guys want to see this very simple way to get really cute nails, then just keep watching. Okay, so yes, I have really chubby fingers. It doesn't matter how much I lose weight or anything, my fingers are always very chubby. So nails always helps with that. They make your nails look prettier, or your hands look prettier. Okay, so step one is just gonna be cut your nails. Step two, I like to use a tool like this. It's just to push your cuticles back. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that with all my nails. Okay, next I am just going to file my nails. Okay, so now I have a little bit of gel nail polish right there. So I'm just gonna take some acetone and I'm actually gonna just clean all my nails with this. All right, so after that, I went and washed my hands. Now I'm going to be using the Kiss Gel Fantasy Ready to Wear. These are awesome. I love these nails. I got this set just because the shorter ones, they last a lot longer. Your nails won't break off as fast. And I love this color for fall. It's just so cute. All right, so now what we're gonna do is just dump them all out, like so. And then, that does not look like 28 nails, I don't know. Oh, some attached to each other, okay. I was like, no. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is figure out which ones match our nail bed. Come with these little stickers. I've never used them. If it's just like a one-day thing and you don't want to ruin your natural nail, these are a great way to go. But I want these nails to last through washing dishes and everything else. So I'm going to be using this super glue it comes with. And it is an awesome super glue. Or not super glue. Well, I mean, I guess it is super glue, but it's called nail glue. If I can open it. There we go. All right, so this is the trick to making your nails last. It gets a little messier. I'm gonna like do it under here. So you're gonna wanna put the glue on your natural, just do like a little dot on your natural nail and then use the container to move it around. Then take your false nail Oh my gosh. And put it, oops, on like a third of it. And then put it all the way down to your cuticle and push for like 30 seconds. And I like to go around, like back and forth. And if you get any glue that comes up on the sides, just take like a wipe. You can use like a makeup remover wipe or whatever you want, even a wet cloth, and just wipe around the sides. So I'm gonna do that to all the nails. All right, so once you have your nails on, you're gonna wanna file the top of them because there's always this little tiny, I don't even know if you guys can see it. There's a little tiny bump on top. All right, you guys, and that is it. These are so easy to put on and only $7.99. And I promise my fingers don't look this fat in person. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and thank you guys so much for watching.